Sorry about that, y'all. My camera got too overheated because it is hot weather. But you can see on the update, we've been baling some right here, raking. All this all raked up. We're right in the pasture. There's a crop on the here. As I was saying, I remember when I was a kid, though, I always used to ride the cab tractors. I rode that 1086, then the 886. I used to watch everybody get like that. I think I seen a 605F getting it, 605H. But as I said, I'm a cop. I still feel real puny today. It's just these allergies. But right there, you can see Grandpa getting it. But yeah, we're just kind of on this way today. Ain't fun when you're real puny, especially when you're shit. Look, I almost said the SH word, but sick. Yeah, ain't fun when you're sick. Yeah, just better get out of the way. Well, just turn around. Yeah. May have to stay in the shade, so that way my camera won't get overheated. Right there goes Grandpa. Yeah, as you could hear me cough in the background, it's just my allergies. Yeah, they're always acting up. It's even worse when you had to go to hernia surgery, which I've been through before. Ain't going to explain the rest about it. But, however, though, I survived my hernia. Almost died 3 times. They came back alive. But it's worse being sick. With these allergies. There goes Grandpa. You know, just got paid $10 today for helping my grandpa out. As you can tell, I got a fly flying around on me. Can't hardly see, but yeah, right there he goes. So coming back this way again. Oh, the baler got full again. See, if this was me in a cab tractor, like operating a baler, I'll have to pay super duper attention while doing. I had this stupid horsefly quit barring me. Yeah. It's after me for some reason, that horsefly. Hopefully we won't start having problems with the veneer. Reason is to see my camera focus. But right there, there's Grandpa. Some cab tractor. I hope we don't have any more problems, dude. I just hope our 604 don't go down. If it does, I may talk to Grandpa about getting himself a John Deere baler. but yeah. You know, I'm seeing Big Red, got the gas build up here. I think Grandpa got more hay caught that baler or something. Usually these, you gotta use hay hooks to get the hay out of the baler. Or, well, on the outside, where your hay goes into that teeth, if it gets caught in a conveyor belt something may go wrong. So you gotta use them hay hooks or anything. And here you go, another load of hay. But yeah, we're gonna be definitely short on hay. Cause how everything is and everything, it's just outrageous. See, sun's going away. Yeah, I think it's gonna come back. I just hate having these allergies. They just kill you. Tell how it's snorting and anything. It's just that I've been stopped up. I don't know how I get allergies. Maybe through pollen or something. So one thing I like about them big balers is they bale up them big bales like that. Tell I'm wearing my farm shirt today. This is the shirt I always wear right here. This one's the Wranglers and boots. I like cowboy boots better. I do tennis shoes. Tennis shoes, if you wear cowboy jeans with tennis shoes, you know, your jean line down here is going to drag. But with boots on, they won't. Because they're comfortable on me. Still, yeah, they're still all. Think about getting me some pointed toe ones after these get worn out. But yeah. Now on the 8day6 PTO, it's hard to get out of gear, as you've seen on my TikTok. There he goes. Finally back with the baler again. Like, we're doing so good with the hay baler. Nothing's going wrong. So one thing I like about these internationals, I know most of y'all gonna be commenting on my YouTube or be like, why not stick get yourself a John Deere, or why not stick get this, that. Well, I just like International and John Deere and Massey Pro Skate. I do like a couple of good Ford tractors, not a whole lot. But sure, y'all two are gonna be like, why you got a piece of crap baler on your farm? Well, first thing you know, Vermeer ain't crap. Second thing you know, Vermeer is always good balers, but you just gotta watch what you're doing. Oh, let me get out of the way. I don't like to be in the way while there's a tractor going. Yeah. We got a couple of clouds coming. Got more this side. Get. Show you the rest. More hay. As long as I don't get in the way. There's one bell we got. Yeah, that's perfect size bell. We got another one. Right here. But gotta be careful with these on a hill. Now watch what you do on these spoilers, especially like this old rancher. You do something stupid on this, it'll cause a spoiler flip on you. My dad learned that the hard way when he was about like my age. He used to have a red Kawasaki, look exactly like this one, but instead it was a Kawasaki, 1990. Dad was telling me one time he was trying to climb a hill with his spoiler. I think he done something stupid when he was like my age with it. Well, it was after he tried to climb that hill with it, or something for just went down with him, just got a bill wreck. Then my dad flipped it on him. He broke a headlight on it, but he was lucky enough to tip the board back over again. So yeah, no, he got lucky that time. There ain't no wreck. Or there was a wreck. Oh, I had a drop on. So get back where y'all too later. Well, now I gotta go to the house, get some chain lube. So now I gotta tell my girl about it. Ow! Ow, these grasshoppers, anything. I already got hit in the eyeball yesterday by one of them bugs. It hurt like crap. So I screamed out to anything, but finally doing normal again. That's good. I'll get back with you too later. I'll get back with you too later. Sorry about that, guys, but I finally got it. I think this was crap I was talking about, I think. Oh no, let's go see. I know I should probably get me a phone for this, because it's hard to film while having a tablet in your hand. So, yeah. You know, I think about selling this Crossman pellet gun I got right here. You're there to trade off for a Ruger Airhawk. I've been looking up on those on YouTube. I've seen a Elite 2 version, so now I'm going to get that one, see how I like it. I think I see Grandpa. I'll get back with y'all too in just a couple of minutes. See, this is the right chain wood. He calls this. Well, the battery ain't want to work right, which that sucks. All right, here is a wheel bell, or a big one. I'm taller than this bell. All kind of little hay on me. Yeah, I think I called that one a little bell right here this time. Yeah, you never know there's a problem with this with me or what. Still got the 886 going still. This one's had that sweet old international engine. The international, pretty good engines right there. Especially on them 886s. Well, something's knocking, and Grandpa said. Hey, Burns. They're knocking, they ain't too hot. So I don't know what in the world's going on. What in the redneck crap is happening to this baler. Now we're having a problem now. To me, this ain't no good. If that Grandpa's going to do something, I don't know. Check anything on that baler and see if it's running okay. If something ain't right, I'll get back to y'all too later. Sure definitely don't know what it is that baler. Something. That mirror. I'm going to shade because this camera overheats. Bad thing about filming the heat, because you never know where your camera will actually overheat to explode or what. I'm gonna try to see if I find shade, because it's hot out here in Oklahoma still. Hopping. Now there's some bad spots around here in Oklahoma to live in, including Tulsa. Tulsa's one of the main ones because they're the shootouts, I think. So to me, I like the country better. I still can't figure out what that knocking noise was. But there it is on the baler or something. May have to end my YouTube video because it is, I don't know. I think there goes Grandpa back in the cab tractor. Yeah, we're going to continue on going, I think. Stay tuned. Here we go again, the hay baler. But be careful what you're doing these 4 hours. Be sure to not do stupid crap like this, especially when you're going fast. If you're stupid enough to get yourself hurt, in that case, it ain't my problem, because I know most of y'all too on YouTube they record stupid crap. There's stupid crap on YouTube on these spoilers. They're not made to be like to go in the mud and destroy. They're made to be riding on, and it was made to be for hunting and anything. Not made to go in my hose. I'm sure any of them two are going to be probably like, well, they're made for that. I meant put a snorker on your foiler. Well, that's just a bad luck of your time, because by the time you do that and up your foiler, you're going to notice half your lights don't work. It's because due to all that water built up. But yeah, we're hoping to get all this hay baler done. Plus, I know we got a couple cabs off as well. I'm not going to be able to film a YouTube video about that, because I know we're going to be going a cab ride known as a hot shot and shocking some cabs. One of you two are going to be like, that's animal cruelty. Well, basically it is, but you don't have no choice to use a hot shot on a cow. Well, a cow don't like going in stock trailers, so they stop, and sometimes you got to hit them with it. Like, shock them. If you don't, the more they keep on going stubborn on you, the more problems you're going to have. That's just kind of like with my grandpa. He does not like cabs stopping on him. He likes to get them in the cow trailers on Sundays and load them up, take them to Hollandville. They wait till Monday on their stockyard to open up. You got a couple hats from there from Hollandville, but they're not nailed. But I think about getting me one that's nailed pretty soon as you get this hay up. It's been a while since we get going, over like 20 minutes now. Ah, hay dust got in my eyes. Yeah, they have to have Grandpa pay attention to what he's doing. Because I think it's something's going to go out in his mirror. I don't know. Oh crap, got to lean in this time. You always got to lean in. Yeah, like if you're going up, lean down like, kind of like what my body is, like that. Yeah, if you're going up a hill, you're going to do the same thing. But you're going down, you're going to have to lean like this. Now if you turn left, lean in. Turn right, lean in. Yeah, you always gotta lean in with your turns. If you don't, that crashes if you're on 4-hour. Now I hadn't even crashed on my 4. I may have done some stupid crap I shouldn't have done on my 4, like hot riding and anything. So yeah, you know, I know my grandparents have been pretty much getting on to me about that. And plus, I know everybody else, some of y'all too may do it on TikTok and think it's cool. And well, it's not cool to hot ride your 4-hour because you don't know whether you're going to get hurt or what. Because I've been seeing that crap on TikTok a lot, and people posting on their Snapchat saying, look at this, I'm hot riding on a 4-hour, or look at this, I'm muddy up. But that's just basically ruining your 4-hour. So, my advice is, never hot ride your 4-hour, and never take it out of the mud. That's what I used to do with mine. But always respect your 4-hours. That's the same with dirt bikes. Well, and also green-wheelers. Whatever kind of off-road vehicle you own. No green-wheelers are probably banned, but what can I say? Oh crap, I forgot to lean in. Yeah, I forgot to lean in with that. But that's okay. These Premier's pretty good balers. I mean, I like them. My grandpa likes them. I mean, they ain't too bad of a problem. Grandpa can't get the thing to go on 5. Well, first thing it does, something's going to go out. And the second thing it does, my grandpa keeps hearing knocking noise, but he just don't know what it is. It can't be the bearings, because the bearings ain't too hot. So we don't know what the problem is. This thing's been going on 23 minutes. Filming. Crap. Yeah, my camera feels like it's going to overheat. Because I think would tell me, I think would pop up and warn me about it. Shut it off to try again later. This is what's bad, carrying a tablet around with you. But yeah, be sure not to do stupid crap on your 4-hour, because, you know, my dad learned the hard way when he was like my age. And yes, my dad did wreck his 4 before when he was like my age on that red Kawasaki. He wrecked it the first time because he was going through mud and everything, and crap got clogged up in the carburetor in it. My grandpa got fixed the first time a long time ago. Then my dad did the second time. Or no, I think he did. But my grandpa was telling me about my grandpa said if he does it the second time, then that's it. Well, my dad did it the second time when he was climbing up a hill when he was like my age a long time ago. And that's where he paid and learned the hard way from that. So I never do that stuff again with a 4-hour. Respect them. So my dad been telling me. No, I may have said some cuss words on TikTok, which I should not have been said, but I regret doing that. But don't worry about that, because I'm not cussing on TikTok anymore. It's just good. Yeah, I know most YouTube people may think cussing's cool. Well, it actually just turns you into a wimp. Cussing does, especially with race system. Well, some YouTube won't care on it. Even though that's just basically people's opinions. What's cool and what's not cool. That's people's opinions. If others want to think cussing's cool, well, think that. If others think that cussing it's not cool, well, think that. But yeah. I don't know what in the world crop will do now. I think going baler more hay up, I don't know. I better get to the shade before my camera overheats. Oh crap, dodge that hill. Because I do not want to do what Dad did when he was like my age. Because I know he got lucky enough to survive his farm crash. And yes, he flipped the bank back over or like this. But still, it was just all wrecked up. The headlight was busted on it. My grandpa was just pointing at him. So I say, you always gotta respect these machines. If you don't respect them, then don't drive them. So people say, as my advice, if you're going to disrespect your machine, take it out in the mud somewhere, or disrespect your off-road vehicles, don't drive them at all. Just don't even get on nothing. That's the same way with cars, trucks, and SUVs. Now, my favorite trucks I like is the diesel trucks. I like them Cummins engines in them. Well, in the Dodges, I like the Cummins engines in them. I like the Duramaxes and the Fords and Chevrolets. I think they put Duramax engines in Chevrolets. I might be wrong, though. No, they do on the Fords, I think. I don't know how Ford makes their diesel engines. I know how Dodge do their diesel engines. But I don't know about Ford. Y'all got to get out of the way now because gravel's coming straight through here, battling up that more hay. See, we got another spot to rake up. Man, that's all full of berry vines. Don't know how we're supposed to get those out. It's been going on since over 29 minutes now. So, in probably a couple of minutes I may end my YouTube video. But part 3 will be coming out pretty soon. Stay tuned on McGee Farms. I'm starting to get thirsty now. Anyways, I'm fixing my YouTube. Stay tuned for part 3. Anyways, this is your boy Ryan here. Anyways, peace out, my fans.